Gotta love it. Get out of the way, buddy. I'm going to start shooting. Howdy, folks. It's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Hope you had a fun and safe Memorial Day weekend. We got to thank all our vets, past and present, for their service to our great country, these United States of America. You know, last week I was at work, and my one buddy at work was like, "Hey, man, what are you doing in these series of videos?" And I told him, "So, well, you know what? I'm actually trying to learn how to shoot faster, more accurately." And it just so happened that I'm starting to get into the wonderful world of Glocks. I suppose my techniques I'm trying to learn can apply to any pistol. But anyways, that's pretty much it. You know, I know there are a lot of new shooters out there. I mean, I'm not a stranger to shooting pistols. I just never try to shoot faster, more accurately. So with that being said, I've got a couple things I want to talk about. You know, I think if you've been following my series of videos on my world of the Glock, I've really come to love the Glock platform, and more specifically, I've incorporated the Orange County custom trigger system into my Glock 42, and I just received the OCC trigger system for my Glock 26. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and take the 42 out for a run. These are the Badman bullets. Awesome gentleman, Patrick, from Louisiana. These are 95 grain 380 bullets. I've got them loaded with the Hodgson powder CFE pistol. You know, the big reason why I load these in my 9mm as well is that my carry ammo is the Lehigh Defense 90 grain Extreme Defense in the 9mm. So I was trying to find a bullet weight that would match that. So anyways, I've got my shoot steel target set up at, it's roughly 11 yards this morning. And if you notice, I've actually improved upon the stand. I found about a 76-inch long steel pipe, and I allowed me to hang the shoot steel 12x20 silhouette and the 6 8-inch disc. So anyways, let's go ahead and start shooting. Much better. You know, last week I was reviewing my video, and I noticed that, gosh, well over 70 of my shots were in the lower gut region when I was trying to do the double taps. I realized what I was doing. I was compensating for that. You know, the first shot I was aiming low, and then in reaction to the recoil, bringing my sight picture up. So today I'm going to try to work on, you know, trying to hit that sternum and just following up with a good second shot. Let's see if I can implement that. Definitely working out. You know, one thing on this Orange County custom trigger, I actually did some more adjustments since last week when I first installed it, and I'm going to go ahead and swing around the back side so y'all can see that. All right, make sure the weapon is clear. Okay, so there are two types of adjustments on these triggers. The first one is the pre-travel, which is right there. Now I've adjusted the pre-travel to where the wall even starts right there. So I'm actually feeling the wall and then it breaks. And then of course I've adjusted not all of the overtravel up, but a significant amount. We'll show you the reset. There's the reset right there. All right, let me go ahead and work on the round steel plates. I'm going to take my time on these. See if I can get good hits. Not too bad. All right, I'm all loaded up again. Let's try that round on the steel plates again. Let's work on some double taps now. All right, let's try that again. Had one in the chamber. All right, last magazine. Let's make this a good one. That's what I want to see. So I'm focused more on obviously aiming higher, not going for the gut shot. All right, let's get the Glock 26 out. All right, folks, I got the Glock 26 out. I just installed the Orange County custom trigger. Pretty happy with it. I did the same adjustments as I did on my Glock 42. Of course, I've got the Vortex Venom 6 MOA dot. Red dot on top I got from Mounting Solutions Plus. These are once again the Badman bullets. These are the 95 grain polymer coated. I'll tell you what, let's get warmed up on the steel plates first. Not too bad, man. You gotta love these red dots. All right, let's go right into some double taps. Man, that gong is a gonging now, isn't it? All right, I got the Magpul 17 rounder. I'm going to start on the steel disc from right to left and then finish on the silhouette target. I tell you what, those 17 rounds go pretty quickly. Tell you what, let's slow down the rate of fire. Let's try to take a little bit more controlled, accurate shots. I'm going to go for some headshots on the silhouette target and then finish up on the plates. Not too bad. Alright folks, well, I've been talking with Patrick at Badman Bullets, and I got some, these are the 9mm 147 grain polymer coated bullets, and I'm actually got them loaded about, I don't know, I'm guessing around 950 feet per second. In preparation for Rebel Silencers is coming out with their SOS-9. It's a silencer suppressor for 9mm and smaller. Obviously I've got a threaded barrel on my Glock 26, but let's see how these run. Run pretty good. Alright, here we go. Glock 26, Orange County custom trigger. Just installed on my Glock. Find that red dot. Alright folks, that's it. Too much fun. I'm loving these Glocks. Alright folks, hopefully I'm getting better. You only get better by practicing. Practice makes perfect. It's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Hope you enjoyed the video as much fun as I had making it. We'll see you later. Definitely better today. I still got some shots on the left side, but bringing my point of impact higher. Got some good headshots. Not too bad on the steel plates. Right on. That's a wrap. See you later.